Project Zero Hunger and Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Hunger. We can stop hunger around the world by simply replacing uh, 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 all trees and forests around the world and plants that has that is non-bearing. Replace them with root-bearing trees and vegetable-bearing plants. Imagine all forests of Asia, America, Europe, Australia filled with fruit-bearing trees and vegetable-bearing plants. It will increase production of fruits and vegetables. Plus, it will affect to the size and the numbers of production of swines or pigs and cows and cheeses and poultry products or chickens. Plus, plus uh, mm, vegetables and fruits can be made medicine too. So cancers and even AIDS will not be impossible to cure in these times. Thus, we, we will have a good lumber, so there will be no illegal logging. We will have a good lumber for the increase of numbers of fruit-bearing trees. When they age, we can not allow them to get super huge trees, so we cut them young, so we will have again a good lumber. Plus, uh, the global warming, so that causes a lot of extreme climates and weathers during time. Fruit-bearing trees and vegetable-bearing plants will help heal the cell hole in the ozone layer, and we will be I am sure of that, and it will decrease the extreme climate conditions and natural catastrophes. Plus, Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Blood, we can stop blood around the world in those affected areas of floods by simply creating infrastructure that uh, that will require a lot of water or usually water. For example, giant fish ponds, two giant fish ponds, one for one for tourist and local attraction. The other one is for uh, uh, fish fishery resort, fish farming, and it includes to your favorite seafoods, lobster, shrimp, squids, etc. etc. Plus, you can make huge swimming pools that has slides, that has waves, swimming pools for scuba divers, swimming pools for Olympiads. We can do parks parks full of fountains, park, park full of fountains, and parks that has ice rings, parks that has statues. Wish I had my statue that squirts water in my mouth. Bang. Squirts water plus malls that has ice rinks and more like parks and malls that has ice sculpture. Yes, water can be turned into ice in those areas. flooded areas, plus hydraulics factories or universities, hotels, or company buildings that we can use etc. etc. So we can filter all the water, those flooded areas, and we can lessen the water bill. So uh, problem solved. Uh, there will be no flood anymore. And plus, if that is not enough, we can raise the water level here in planet Earth by simply creating a giant space station outside our planet that will contain huge space station that contains huge amount of waterless here from less waterless here from planet Earth. Those giant space stations, a number of those will include parameters. In their parameters will be space cities or space countries. So we can live in outer space because water is light. So where there is water, there is light. So huge space station that has water here will supply us with enough water for us to be able to live in outer space. This has been Antonio Macalino of Pareño of Clan Pareño. Regards to all Pareño and Macalino around the world, wishing you all the best, especially to my family at Natagalit Pareño, Seco Macalino Pareño. Meron sa Macalino Pareño, Malin dito Macalino Pareño, Malin Antonio Macalino Pareño, Mi Tinaan Pareño, Dami Pareño, Saya Pareño, Shinami Pareño, Shinway Pareño, Shinroli Pareño, and I'm BSAS. And I'm Santo Galdimat Iris Alumni of Barangay SS Black Hilap 21 John Mariana Albert Cavite Manila Philippines. Mabuhay to all and hi to all my friends, girlfriends and other relatives. I will wait for the reaction of media, politicians, students, deans, or clubs, or organizations or like journalists or novelists. I am here in my address, as I mentioned, Vargas Lockness, waiting for you. Concerned citizens,